Hello, in front of me I've got LOFREE Flow Lite. In this video I'll tell you what is the maximum pulling rate of this keyboard. The maximum pulling rate of this keyboard is 1000 Hz, though it can be adjusted from 125 Hz, 250 Hz, 500 Hz up to 1000 Hz in LOFREE Key Mapper app. 1000 Hz is standard for modern gaming keyboards, 500 Hz is common in gaming keyboards, 250 Hz has slightly faster response, and 125 Hz is typical for basic office keyboards. Pulling rate in keyboard refers to how often the keyboard sends data to the computer. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.